just don't get it. I don't remember doing this kind of math when I was in school. And it's so hard for Alex, especially with his learning disability. What can I do to help?
Oh, Maria, I know it can feel overwhelming, but you're doing great by being involved. The key is understanding the strategies that can really support Alex at home. Let's start by talking about some of the approaches schools use to teach math today. When you talk to your child's teacher or receive information from the school or board, you might hear terms like new math or the science of math. These terms reflect different ways of thinking about how students learn math. The Ontario curriculum includes aspects of both, helping children build solid skills step by step and introducing different approaches that deepen understanding and encourage flexible strategies while becoming fluent in the standard methods.
The Ontario math curriculum highlights a few key ideas that parents can support at home: building strong basics through practice, trying out different strategies and ways of solving, talking about math and explaining thinking, and making math part of real-life activities like cooking, shopping, or games. Together, these approaches help children develop both confidence and skills as math learners. So it's not just about memorizing rules and steps, it's also about really understanding them?
Or they might try strategies like adding up or compensating that can make the problem easier to approach and understand. Or they might try strategies like adding up or adjusting that can make the problem easier to approach and understand. The goal is for students to understand these different approaches and learn how and when to use them, while also becoming fluent and confident with the standard method. For students with learning disabilities, it often helps to have direct, step-by-step instruction and lots of practice, so they can build confidence using these strategies.
Maria, it's important to remember that students with learning disabilities may struggle with math in different ways. For example, recalling basic facts like addition or multiplication. It's not only about memorization, it's about practice, fluency, and providing tools that help build confidence. So I don't need to worry if Alex doesn't know everything right away? It's okay if he doesn't get everything right away. Many children need time and practice to build those skills. That's why it's important to support the basics, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, in lots of different ways at home. You can use tools like small pocket charts, a number chart, or a multiplication table, and Alex can reference these tools while practicing. Over time, he'll become more fluent with number facts and develop confidence in approaching math problems. It also helps to check in regularly with his teachers to see how things are going at school. You'll also want to make sure his individual education plan, IEP, reflects the kinds of strategies and supports that work best for him.
Math doesn't always have to happen at a desk. Play games that involve numbers and get creative. Ask Alex to help sort and measure ingredients when you're cooking. Measure and calculate materials for a home project. Or calculate the total on your grocery receipt. As Alex gets older, look for more complex tasks that include calculating percentages and learning about statistics that interest him. These real-world connections can make math much more engaging and easier to understand.
I can definitely do that. I can also have him help measure for the garden project. That way, he gets to use math while doing something fun. Exactly. And those real-life situations will make abstract concepts like fractions, measurement, area, or even ideas like time and money more tangible. Remember, the goal is to make the math that's already part of everyday life visible in a way that feels natural.
Talking about math is also a great way to help Alex. Every so often, instead of simply solving problems, you might pause and ask questions like, "Why do you think this? How could we solve this problem? How did you get that answer?" Or, "What strategy did you use?" These conversations don't have to happen all the time, but when they do, they can help Alex think more deeply about math.
I see. So it's not just about getting the right answer, it's about thinking through the problem together. Exactly. And those conversations help Alex build a deeper understanding of math by encouraging reasoning and problem solving, not only getting to the answer.
At school, educators talk about math with students to explore possible solutions to a chosen problem and discuss the reasonableness of answers. These are called math talks and number talks. An example could be asking, how many peanuts are in this jar? What strategy could we use to get a reasonable answer? In short, talking about math helps students consider different strategies in reasoning and make judgments about whether solutions are reasonable or not. The beauty of these is that they can be developed strategically, and both are great ways for teachers and parents to strengthen mathematical learning, especially by helping you see how your child decodes, solves, and justifies a problem. Many websites and apps offer interactive ways to practice math and can be tailored to your child's needs. When using online tools, it helps to look for programs that combine practice with clear, step-by-step teaching.
That sounds perfect. I'm sure Alex will enjoy using some of those online tools. I'll also create a math glossary with some of the key terms so he can refer to it while learning. That's a great idea. And always remember to keep math fun and light. Celebrate small wins along the way. It will make the process feel less stressful for both of you. Thank you both. This really helps. I'm feeling more confident about supporting Alex, and I'm excited to make math part of our daily routine.
You're doing a fantastic job, Maria. Just keep the conversation going, and remember that every step counts.
We're here to support you, Maria. You're not alone in this. Together, we'll help Alex build the skills he needs to succeed. Supporting a child with learning disabilities in math involves patience, creativity, and being open to different ways of learning. By focusing on the basics and exploring strategies that support understanding, making math fun, and using tools and technology, you can help your child succeed and build confidence over time. For more strategies and tips, visit the link you see on your screen.